You do not need $10,000 to start investing. You do not need to pick the next hot stock. And you definitely do not need 40 videos that all disagree with each other. If you have about $100, a phone, and a little patience, you can start a real investing habit this week. In the next few minutes, I will give you a simple system: where the money goes, what to buy and what to ignore, and the one mistake that turns I started into I panic sold. Quick note: this is education, not personal financial advice. Investing involves risk, including losing money. I will keep this practical and calm anyway. Here is the plan. 1. The mindset that stops people with $100. 2. Which account to open first. 3. What to actually buy. Keep it boring. 4. How to make this automatic. 5. Mistakes that quietly wreck beginners. This is for you if you have some income, you know you should invest, and you feel stuck. This is not for day trading setups or crypto moonshots. Different sport. I am not going to guilt you into investing rent money. Do a 60-second pre-check. 1. High interest debt. If you have credit cards at ugly rates, paying those down often beats investing for your personal math. Investing while bleeding 20% interest is running up a down escalator. 2. Are the next 30 days of essentials covered? If this 100 is grocery money, it is not investment capital. 3. Can you leave this money alone for years? If you need it in 3 weeks for tires, it does not belong in the market. If you fail that pre-check, pause. Fix the foundation. Come back. That is not failure. That is order. If you pass, good. Let's place the 100 correctly. Beginners obsess over what to buy. Pros obsess over where it sits. Simplified path, United States focused education. Option A, you have earned income and a Roth IRA makes sense for you. A Roth is often the first long-term home people learn about because qualified withdrawals in retirement can be tax-free. Contribution limits and income rules exist. Check current IRS rules for your situation. Option B, Roth is not available or it is not right now. Use a regular taxable brokerage. Still fine. Still real investing. Do not freeze because perfect is confusing. What I want you to do this week: process, not a brand pitch. Pick a reputable broker that allows small deposits and fractional shares if possible. Open one account, not 5. Verify your identity. Link your bank. Deposit the 100 and or whatever you can safely deposit. Ignore the 47 upsells inside the app. You are not a product tourist. You are completing one transfer. Here's the part that disappoints hype brains and saves real people. For most beginners, the goal is to own a broad slice of the market cheaply, not invent a genius stock portfolio on day one. Educational framing, not a personal recommendation. Many long-term beginners start by learning about broad index funds or ETFs. Hundreds or thousands of companies in one purchase. Diversification, low costs, simplicity, what you are not doing with $100, YOLO on one meme stock, building a 25 ticker mess you cannot track, waiting for the perfect entry while cash sits. Simple decision rule: one broad fund beats 5 random stocks. If the app offers fractional shares, you can often put the full 100 to work without needing hundreds of dollars for a single share. How to choose without spiraling. Prefer a low expense ratio, the annual fee. Small percentages matter over decades. Prefer broad market exposure over niche themes at the start. Prefer something you can explain in one sentence. If you cannot explain it in one sentence, you do not have a plan, you have a hope. I am deliberately not flashing a single must-buy ticker as gospel. Learn the criteria, then pick something that matches inside a regulated broker. $100 trade is a moment. A repeating investment is a machine. After the first purchase, set a recurring transfer you will not feel. $25, $50, whatever survives your budget. Same day each month. Payday plus one is a classic. Invest when it arrives. Do not wait to time it. That is the spirit of dollar cost averaging. A schedule, not a crystal ball. Write one sentence in your notes app: I invest on autopilot. I do not panic sell because of headlines. It sounds cheesy. It is a circuit breaker for future you. Screenshot this checklist. 1. Pre-check, debt, essentials, time horizon. 2. Open one account. Roth if it fits, else brokerage. 3. Deposit 100. 4. Buy one simple, broad, low-cost investment you can explain. 5. Turn on a tiny recurring transfer. 6. Log out. Live your life. Repeat next month. If you only do steps 2 through 4 this week, you are already ahead of most people who follow finance creators. If you want the exact order of money moves: emergency fund, Roth, taxable, and what not to skip, watch the next video in this series. That is where beginners either build a clean system or accidentally do advanced moves in the wrong sequence. If this made the fog thinner, subscribe. I post calm systems, not chaos. This is first dollar invested. Go make the deposit. Talk soon. Mistakes that wreck $100 starters. 1. Checking the account daily. That is not investing. That is day trading your feelings. 2. Turning 100 into a casino. Options, leverage, cannot lose tips. Different game. 3. Investing emergency money, then selling at the worst time because life happened. 4. Tutorial purgatory. 12 more videos before one deposit. Knowledge without a deposit is entertainment. 5. Comparing your month 1 balance to someone's highlight reel. Screenshot this checklist. 1. Pre-check. Debt essentials, time horizon. 2. Open one account. Roth if it fits, else brokerage. 3. Deposit 100. 4 is buy one simple, broad, low-cost investment you can explain. 5. Turn on a tiny recurring transfer. 6. Log out. Live your life, repeat next month. If you only do steps 2 through 4 this week, you are already ahead of most people who follow finance creators. If you want the exact order of money moves, emergency fund, Roth, taxable, and what not to skip, watch the next video in this series. That is where beginners either build a clean system or accidentally do advanced moves in the wrong sequence. If this made the fog thinner, subscribe. I post calm systems, not chaos. This is first dollar invested. Go make the deposit. Talk soon.